Hello guys, welcome to Amber Health Beauty Tips. Today I am going to share with you winter special mask cum serum. So we have noticed that our skin is becoming too much of dry and itchy and tan skin, and also most of the time we have seen that our skin is totally it's becoming um, dry. So for that this mask and serum will be the best. So come guys, let's start how to make this remedy. For making this remedy, here I have taken one clean bowl. So in this I am going to add my first ingredient, that is flax seeds. So guys, why flax seeds contains lignans and antioxidants that helps in prevention of fine lines and wrinkles on the face. Also it is having fatty acids in flax seeds, helps in keeping the skin moisturized and smooth. An inherent quality of the flax seeds also help in keeping the skin tight and less saggy with age. So here I have taken 2 spoons of flax seeds. In this I am going to add water. I want just gel from the flax seeds. So guys, now I am going to transfer this flax seeds into a pan, and I will add 1 cup of water in it because I want only the jelly part of flax seeds to make this serum and the mask. So here I am going to transfer all those things. You can make the gel and you can store in the refrigerator also. It will be good for minimum 10 days. If you are regularly using flaxseed gels, it will give your skin nourishing balance oil production, improve the skin barrier, and also it will makes your skin good and awesome. So you can see guys, within 2 to 3 minutes you can see like this bubble type. Then you have to switch off the flame and you have to, on the spot you have to strain it. If not, it will be very difficult to take the gel from it. You can use with the strainer, or else you can use the muslin cloth also. So muslin cloth is very easy to strain, but it is very well, it is hot, no, there are the chances of burning of your hands. So I have taken with the help of a strainer. Okay, this much of gel is enough for me. Now guys, I am going to divide this gel into 2 parts because here I am going to make the 2 remedies in one video. See guys, I have collected the enough flaxseed gel. Here I have taken 2 clean bowls. One is for the gel and another one is for the serum. So I am going to divide it into 2 spoons of gel into the 2 bowls. This I am going to add my first ingredient, that is Nescafe. You can use any of the coffee whichever is available at home, but I prefer the Nescafe is the best. Coffee is an excellent exfoliator and helps in stimulating blood flow, which reduces the acne and even cellulite and stretch marks also. Important is, if you are using regularly coffee mask, it will enrich your skin. Coffee is rich in antioxidant that will kill dead cells and remove impurity from your skin and makes your skin smoother and brighter looking. See guys, here my magical gel is ready. So my next remedy here I am going to use is winter special serum. Here I have taken 2 to 3 spoons of flaxseed gel, as I have told you. In this I am going to add my first ingredient, which is going to be add as a vitamin E capsule. If you are not having vitamin E capsules, you can use almond oil instead of this, but vitamin E you will get the more benefit of it. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that may be effective at reducing UV damage in your skin, and as well as the vitamin E, if you are applying regularly to your skin, it will nourish and protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. So according to my, here I have taken 3 capsules because here I have taken 2 to 3 spoons of flaxseed gel. If you are increasing the quantity, you have to increase all the other ingredients also. So my next ingredient here I have taken is aloe vera gel. Try to use the 99% pure aloe vera gel guys. There are more aloe vera gels are available in the market. Try to get the organic and the pure. As I have told you in all my videos also, that aloe vera is good for our skin. It will soothe the sunburn, and also it will give our skin cooling properties. It is having anti-inflammatory properties that will help to keep our skin moisture, and also it will fight with the skin aging also. So my next ingredient here I have taken is glycerin. Glycerin is going to be work as a excellent in this during this winter. So guys, glycerin is not only good for our skin but also it is good for our hairs also. If you are having chapped skin, if you are using just glycerin on your skin, that also will be excellent. So glycerin is a great for the skin because it is act as an humectant. So because it is going to retain as a moisture in your skin, and also it will hydrate and also relieve the dryness from your skin. So my next ingredient here I have taken is, my last ingredient I have added is corn flour. I have taken 1/4 spoon of corn flour. Corn flour will help to fight with the fine lines and wrinkles and also absorb the dirt and oil from your skin, and also it will hydrate your skin and also brighten your skin. Mix all these ingredients well and you can transfer into a glass jar. You can store the serum and the gel in the refrigerator for minimum 7 days. I hope you all like my videos. Kindly subscribe my channel, like and share among your friends and family members. Thank you. Meet you